The terrors of denunciation means the fear of public condemnation of someone or something which should produce caution or repentance in the mind of any people with negative issues in their deeds as a logical prediction to fill the blank. Here are the terrors of denunciation which are barely adequate to produce so in the mind of reckless and godless reprobate. Fisher and hiatus as choice A and choice B both mean split or crack, but in the context of the passage, these two choices cannot make sense regarding the mind of people with negative impact and the terrors of denunciation. The reckless and godless reprobate are usually overconfident with enthusiasm in negative functions which hinders to produce any positive response against any denunciation as repentance, which is meant by choice D and F, and compunction and contrition as choice D and choice F. Both of the choices mean repentance and make sense to fill the blank as correct answers. The reckless and godless reprobate are usually overconfident and show terrors of denunciation which are adequate to produce chagrin or exasperation in their mind, which denotes annoyance as choice C and choice E. So choice C and choice E are also incorrect answers to fill the blank. So the correct answers are choice D and choice F.